Okay, now members, let us see how we handle logical questions. You know, the math questions are called problems, so don't fear when you call them problems. They are just questions. Problems are called questions in mathematics. So these are questions which requires us to go extra mile of thinking, an extra mile of thinking. So these are questions that these are numbers that requires extra and critical thinking, as we are going to see. So let us start with this one. The length of a rectangle is twice its width. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 72, find the area. It means that we get the area within the length and the width. Okay, so start by the information. Let's start from the information. They are giving us that. They are telling us the perimeter is 72. Now they want us to get the area. Remember, our area is always length times width. Now, do I have these two? Now I turn to the question. The length of a rectangle is twice, so meaning twice its width, meaning they are referring us to width to get the length. So you draw a simple table like this. A very simple table. So you need the length, you need the width. So if you know the width, you will know the length. Why? Because I'm saying that the length of a rectangle is twice its width. So if the width is x, it means that the length is going to be twice the width, which is x. Simple as that. Now they are giving you the perimeter, but I know that the perimeter, our perimeter is always 2w plus equaling to the perimeter. So now you know the length, you know the width. So we have 2 into my length is 2x. The width, perimeter. Now to divide through by 2. This 2x plus this, you get 3x. This is 1. 2 divides there, will be having 6. Divide through by 3, your x will be 12. Now it was in meters, so these are going to be meters. Now this x is for the width, so then you have the width already. So meaning that your L is 2x, which will be 2 times 12, which will be 24 with ease. So now you can easily get the area. Remember, our area is L times width. My length is now 24 times 12, and if you press your calculator there, you will have the area as 208 meters squared. We give our area in square units. Let us come to this now. The denominator of a fraction is more by 3 its numerator. If when the numerator is increased by 7, the denominator is decreased by 1. The fraction becomes 3 over 2. Find the original fraction. Now, you start by drawing that simple table. So you have the denominator and you have the numerator. So, they're telling us that the denominator of a fraction is more by 3 its numerator. So, if you know the numerator, now you can get the numerator because this is more by 3, meaning this is going to be x plus 3. So the fraction now is the numerator over the numerator. So our fraction is x over x plus 3. The fraction. This is the original fraction. Then they are telling us that if when the numerator is increased by 7, so you add here 7. When you increase it by 7, the denominator is decreased by 1. Decrease means you subtract, so x plus 3 minus 1. So you see that here you have x plus 2, then here you have x plus 7. So now the current numerator, the current you have is n over d, which will be x plus 7 over x plus 2. So if they are increased by 7 and this one is decreased by 1, it becomes 3 over 2. So all of this becomes 3 over 2. So you just need to solve this. So we say we cross multiply 3 times this, we cross multiply like this. So you have 3 x plus 2 equaling 2 times this. That's 7. So can you open brackets? 3 times this will get 3x. 3 times 6. And then 3 times 3, 6. 2 times x, you get 2x plus 2 times 7, you get 14. Take x to correct like terms, and this will be 3x minus 2x equaling 14. When this one crosses the equal signs, it becomes a negative. 3x minus 2x, you get x. 14 minus 6, you get 8. So that's the x. Now our original fraction, the one before the decrease or it increased, it was x over 3. X over x plus 3. Our x is 8 over 8 plus 3, and this will be 8 over 11. Okay, so that's it. When you come to this now, a man is 24 years older than his son. In 2 years' time, his age will be twice the age of his son. Find the man's age will be twice. Let us finish that. Okay. In our solution now, you have a son, then you have a man. So let me ask that. The man is 24 years older, meaning that we first get to know the age of the son. So if the son is having y, means the man is going to be 24 years old. That means is y plus those 24 years. So y plus 24 years. You start, this man is older than 4 years than his son. In 2 years' time, what does it mean? So if we add 2 years on both, so in 2 years' time, so 1 plus 2, then this one shall get y plus 24, then plus 2. So that will be the age. This man will be y plus 2, then this one will be y plus 26. So in 2 years' time, that's the age. In 2 years' time, his age will be twice the age of his son. So his age will be twice. It means that this man's age will be twice that of the son in 2 years. So the man is y plus 26. His son will be twice the age of his son. Then you simplify that and you solve. So this will be y plus 26 equaling to 2 times 5, you get 2y, 2 times this, you get a 4. Break like terms, put 4 this side, take y that side. When I bring this 4, it becomes 2, then minus a 4, equaling to 2y, and breaking like terms. When this one is positive, when it crosses equal signs, it becomes a minus. So when you simplify here, you get 22 equaling to y. So meaning the son is y years. Now the one that's made the present age. The present age is the age before they say in some years. So the present age of the man. So man's present age is y plus 24, which will be our y is 22 plus 24. And so this will give us 46 years. And that's how we handle that. So this man is 46 years now, and the son is 22 years. That's it. I wish you well.